The housing moratorium is officially over, despite the respite given. The Supreme Court has officially ended it. Also, we have 26 states that will end their unemployment benefits by Labor Day. When you couple this with the influx of Afghan refugees, and when you couple this with the alleged rise of the, quote, Delta variant, unquote, it becomes clear that we are seeing a continuation of the controlled demolition of this country. What many people have labeled conspiracy theory is indeed conspiracy fact. As there are no coincidences, it should be obvious to all of us who want to see that these events that are converging on at this particular time is part of an overarching plan. And what we will be seeing in the months to come leading into 2022 is misery that has gone unimagined to the people of this country. A once rich and powerful country is now in the throes of hunger, want, despair, being thrown outdoors. And I urge all of you who hear this message to do your best to prepare if you still have time, and to protect yourselves from the onslaught that will come from many sides. We are indeed in troubled waters, and it's only going to get rougher from here on out. And this is not meant to scare or frighten